Good day, viewers. Pwalpar here. It's almost dark 30. I've added a new app to my phone called Storm Radar. I'll put a link to it in here if anybody's interested. I've been using it every day to track these thunderstorms that come in here. We had a storm come up here today. I was out here on the porch, and I knew it was going to be bad. I had my GoPro with me, and I stood over there by the door. And I thought I'll video the storm blowing in here. But it come up this hill so fast that I had to get off the porch. It was raining sideways. Got in the door about the time it slammed the door in my face. After it was over, the driveway was full of big limbs out there. I had to go pick up stuff. We've had our share of thunderstorms this week. I was looking on PBS, one of those channels, last night, and it covered quite a bit about the hurricanes being on the increase. Talked about Harvey, how it tore up Texas, and the other one, whatever the name of it was, it went through Florida last year. Anyway, there was 3 major hurricanes last year. And there's likely to be some this year. I wanted to make a note to my viewers. I might get a little behind on my video making for YouTube, but I'm not going anywhere. I host my website, carknocker.com, with GoDaddy. And I got a new software program today for building your own website. And I'm going to try to rebuild carknocker.com, and I might have to spend quite a bit of time doing it. Everything I got on carknocker.com, the information will still be there, but I'm going to add some more and maybe update my pages and include my YouTube, hosting and rail fanning, different things, projects. I don't know what I'll cover, but I definitely need to update the website. So if my videos don't be quite as much incoming, it's because I'm over there learning how to work this software to change my web page around. Hopefully carknocker.com will expire and the regular hosting section that I've been using will expire in a few days. But I'm still on the website, and I'll get it back active when I learn how to work this new program. It's called Go Central. Anybody uses Go Central and want to drop me some hints, I'd be glad to listen to you. But I won't have to do my own coding and stuff like I did before. Anybody that knows HTML knows it's quite complicated, and it got too much for me to handle. Hopefully when I learn how to work this new program, it'll be much more simple, and I can keep carknocker.com up to date better. But it's going to be just that little short video today. Hummingbirds have swarmed in on us. We had a bunch of them out here today. Bear with me, viewers. Pwalpar is still around and going to be making occasional YouTube videos when I get the time. Might be just a little slow in the uptake. Thanks for tuning in, my friends. This is Pwalpar signing off.